Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to run ads on WhatsApp Business. So click on WhatsApp Business and just click on the bottom right corner on the tools option. You can see options of ads are showing like catalog, marketing messages, quick replies. So I will explore all of them one by one. So I will tell you how to run ads and how to sell any product much faster. So you need to build a catalog. Catalog is all about you can add the images of your product, you can add name of your product, description and different prices. So this method is working fine. You can generate more leads on the WhatsApp as well, because catalog will show on your WhatsApp business profile, so you can easily run ads using this catalog. So I'm just going to select a picture for my catalog, so where I can run ads. I will add all the details of my catalog like name, description, title, each and everything. So I will show you whole process step by step. So what you can do, you can just select any of the image, any of the product image which you want to run ads. So I just choose an image. So I'm going to enter the name of my product. You can select any of the name, like if you're running for the different options like headphones, your shoes and different, which it depends on the which product you are going to live on WhatsApp Business. So you can enter the details of your product like your product price, your product description. So all your contact members can see your catalog live and they can choose your product, and if they are interested to buy your product, they can see the name, description and the price as well. So you can add a description. You must need to add a very careful and a very quick description so user can easily read this description. And if you want to make any product much faster, the description and your meta title is much important for your meta ads. So you can spend a little amount on each ad, so you can make it advertise on Facebook and your Instagram as well. So I will show you this process at the end. So once I will just complete my description over here, so just click on the save option. You can easily save this complete catalog. So this is a catalog of my product with the name, description. So it will get a time to get approved from the official WhatsApp Business, official WhatsApp Meta. So in this way you can easily build your catalog. It's a first step to run ads on your WhatsApp Business. So you can link Facebook, you can link Instagram on your WhatsApp, so you can easily generate a traffic from there as well. So in this way you can click on like which offer you want to, like how many people's you want to show your ads in your colleagues, in your contact members. So here you can see my product, my catalog is just under observation, so it will get live after a few hours. So in this way you can run ads easily and you can build a catalog over here. So you can create a link of your catalog by using a generate link option, and you can share your product on your WhatsApp status, and you can advertise it on your Instagrams, your WhatsApp groups and different Instagram pages as well. On Facebook you can share on Facebook as well. So here you can see I just create a link of my catalog and I just want to place it on my WhatsApp status, and I'm just going to make it live on different platforms like Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp groups as well. So in this way you can sell your product much faster. So this is the way you can create a catalog, and you can make different changes, like if you want to hide those items you can hide from different peoples, but I don't want to hide, so I just want to show you that in this way you can easily hide your items from your contact member as well. So this is the ad, this is the catalog which I built, and if you want to delete or if you want to unhide, you can click on unhide option. It will just unhide all the details and your catalog as well. So you can make your catalog easily, and if you want to delete it you can easily click on the delete option. Your catalog is just deleted. So in this way you can share your catalog in different groups, and you can make your marketing strategies much faster. And if you want to get responses, you can get responses over there, like I have a 3 conversation, your catalog views and your status views. I just deleted my catalog, and I don't want to make